Hello guys, this is Channel Yang. Today we are going to repair a phone, and the model of the phone is Vivo X30 Pro. The problem is the broken of the back shell and the screen, and the main board is also broken. So we can see that this phone is badly damaged, so it's a little bit difficult to repair this phone. Since our customer only wants us to save the data, other problem can be ignored, and it will be quite easy. We just need to repair the main board. So let's check it out. We can see that the main board is very curved. Test the current to find out the right method to repair the phone. We can see that after pressing the power button, the current flowed quickly and became zero when stop pressing the button. So we have to check this area of the power supply. We find that the inductor does not fall off automatically, but we need to check it again. Then we find two of it are broken, so we need to repair it right now. And we can see the current is moving now. So we have to install the screen, and it seems the phone has been repaired successfully. So the repair is finished, and we saved the data. Thank you for your watching. Bye bye guys.